How to mention someone on Instagram Notes. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to mention someone on Instagram Notes but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to mention someone on Instagram Notes. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the message icon at the top. Here, you will see the note section at the top. Tap on your note option with your profile picture. Now start writing a note. For example, let's make a birthday wish for someone. To mention someone, type @. You will see a list of people below. For precise results, type in the username of the person you are trying to mention. Once you find the desired person on the list, just single tap on their displayed image with their name. As you can see, the person has been mentioned on Instagram Notes with their username. Now you can share the note by tapping the share button at the top. If you are not able to mention someone on Instagram Notes like I did, then have patience. Meta rolls out features gradually. The only thing you can do is wait until it's available for you via an update. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to mention someone on Instagram Notes. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.